I don't usually work on this kind of crap, but a guy brought it to me, and he brought me that Johnson. It didn't have any spark. Hey, it makes a great fan. Oh man, I'm gonna put this in my bedroom. It's a Hardless freight mud motor. The key was lost, so I had to there's the new key. And this is the other new key. And this is the new lanyard. There we go. Don't stick your little digits in there, children. At the same time, you can spray for mosquitoes. You see, we've got a skeeter problem around here anyway. Doesn't like that throttle. He said he had it upside down, or it was upside down or something. Oh, the oil went out all over the cylinders and out the muffler. That should burn off sooner or later.